Today I will discuss how to download Proteus. Type in Google Chrome, get into PC. After typing, you will get the link get into PC. In the first option, click on this link. You will get this page. After going to this page, you will type here Proteus. Don't try to download the latest version, it will create a problem for free version. So try to download Proteus 8.9 and click here go. As soon as you click go, you will see that there is a option for Proteus 2019 free version. Click on this link, you will get this page. Scroll down and go to below. You will see here before installing. You can watch this video also how to install. Otherwise, you simply click on this link and you will see the password below. It is used when we extracting this zip file. So this is 385 MB file. Click on this link. As soon as you click this link, download will start and you will see go to download option and see the download folder. If you want to see the folder, show in folder, you will see here that the folder is already downloaded. I have already downloaded it. Right click on this folder and click extract file here. When you will try to extracting it, here the option is coming enter password. So I have seen you that password is 123. Put that password on this option 123 and as soon as you click OK, the extracting file will start. I have already extracting it, see the below, and open this, click on this and click on this folder and you will see the .exe file. Double click on this folder and after a minute you will see this pop-up will open. Click on yes. As soon as you click on yes, then there is option will come. Click next, and then you will see finish. As I have already installed it, so I don't want to install it again. After finishing the install, you will see that the icon is coming to your desktop. Click on this option. You will see that Proteus is starting. Here you can see that start menu, there is open project, new project. If you have already any project in your system, then you can open from here, or if you want to create a new project, click on this option. You will see there is the name of this project, and if you want to change the directory of this where you want to save this project, you can change, or you can keep it as a default and click on this option next, then default, next, then finish. You will see that the Proteus window is coming, and here that I have no library, so that is if when you click on this component option P, then you will see that if you have already installed library, then there is this library will show in this option. If you don't have any library, then that will occur. So you have to install library which component you want to use in your project and you can use it.